Vinyl. Imported. Self-adhesive wall decals 5 sheets of various size stickers. Won't harm your wall, customize the look of your nursery. Surface clean only. Lovebirds, wall decals, coordinates with a full line of nursery bedding and decor. Wall decals come with 5 to 10 x 18 sheets of various stickers. Self-stick adhesive stickers won't harm your walls. Removable wall decals are quick and easy, just peel and stick. 3 sheets come with our delightful bright-eyed wise owls and sweet songbirds with flowering branches. 2 sheets of pink alphabet letters. You can customize the look of your nursery or personalize your favorite rocker or toy box. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for little one's room. These actually surprised me with how well they stuck to the walls.